been a tremendous opportunity to attend this conference. I've been able to learn a lot about different nuances of coronary artery surgery that I haven't necessarily encountered in fellowship, and have learned a lot of tips and tricks that I hope to bring back to my fellowship as well as my eventual practice.
I was excited to come to this meeting because it felt like a really great fit for some of the research that I had been doing on specifically coronary artery bypass grafting, and just also a really wonderful opportunity to be surrounded by cardiac surgeons with a really specific focus on my personal area of interest.
You know, in all honesty, I think what I enjoy most about these meetings is really just getting together with my friends and having the opportunity to just talk about what they're doing and learn what they're doing and share ideas.